because I feel like it, and so that way all my viewers can see, and I have like nobody. Come on! Speedlehead, haha, lol. Just search up Speedlehead, lol. Kitty! Speedlehead. Is it of a weird picture of me, or is it of a little girl? Yeah, that's my channel. Mm. Come on, Kitty. Is that a pointed nose? What the hell? Look at the cat there. No, just watch it on my YouTube video. Just watch my YouTube video. Yeah, no, just watch the video I'm gonna play soon. Oh, Kitty. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Kitty. No, I'm still filming. Why are you eating the grass, kitty cat? I'm scared to touch the yeah. Ducky. Oh my god, Lord kitty cats. What, the cat? YouTube channel, yeah. Please subscribe to his brother's YouTube channel. It's Mooks Animations. Don't you dare piss on me, cat. Come on, kitty cat. I'm just standing outside of a block of flats, calling out a cat's name. That's not even my cat. I just want to pat it without it trying to bite my handle. Hi, beautiful kitty. Damn, look at the nose. Yeah, no, I'm showing the YouTube video. It's gonna be my latest YouTube video. This shout out goes to Leo Coxiakos for being the best friend ever. I mean, and his nickname is Cocky because he's a cock and he has one. This kitty is so soft. This cat is like the softest cat I've ever felt in my life. I felt softest. Banana time, banana time. Go away, Carl. Go away, old man smoking. I need to film a YouTube video of a kitty cat. Guess what I'm gonna name this YouTube video? Kitty cat butt butt. Oh, he's in the band now. Oh, he's so cute because he's adorable, and he has a butt. Yeah.